Can't be your Superman. I can't be your Superman. Can't be your Superman. Can't be your Superman. You're Superman. You're Superman.
Don't get me wrong, neither do I. I don't wanna flip when I see you with guys. Too much pride between you and I. Not a jealous man, but females lie. But I guess that's just what sluts do. How could it ever be just us two? I never loved you enough to trust you. We just met and I just fucked you. But I do know one thing though, bitches they come